Welcome to Maexology. Today's video we are going to look at the 15 coolest gadgets that you can buy. As usual, the links to the products are in the description below. Sit back and enjoy watching. Rubbeex Electric Bicycle. This electric bicycle conversion kit will turn your ordinary bike into an electric one. In case you wondered, it fits almost any bike you might have. The installation will take you about 10 minutes. 4 Allen head bolts and 2 zip ties, you will have an e-bike. Inside the device, there's a powerful motor that spins the back wheel and is supported by up to 3 batteries. This way the device is able to cover up to 30 miles and deliver up to 20 miles per hour top speed. Furthermore, the manufacturer has thought of the safety and comfort of users, which is why there's also a smart brake light at the back and the power button as well as the charging port in the middle. In case you're afraid someone might steal your precious bike device, this gadget will be priced at $579. Berkel Home Food Slicer. The timeless Berkel will give your kitchen some personality. The Homeline 200 is the ideal compact kitchen edition, and its distinctiveness resides in its creative design. Contours are defined by simple, rounded lines that almost look futuristic. The Homeline electric food slicer's chrome-plated steel blade guarantees perfectly cut consistent slices with less waste. Choose between 2 distinct Berkel Homeline versions for the inclined table for outstanding results. The lack of sharp edges along with unique features like a sport for storing small food scraps and an opening plate ensure that cleaning is quick and easy. Small in size, with a professional handle, a food-grade aluminum blade covering a chrome steel blade and a distinctive aluminum alloy structure. It makes the ideal to charcuterie and house parties. The cost of this device is $578. Ecojourney Rugged Portable Speaker Case. When going somewhere, music is the best pal, but it often happens that you don't have any free space for the speaker. Why don't you take this Ecojourney case? It's loud enough for your outdoor adventures. And if you pair 2 of them, you get an outdoor stereo system. Connect it to your phone via Bluetooth or use a cable, the choice is yours. What's even better, the device is 100% water shock and dust proof. There's more, the speaker also doubles as a case where you can store all your valuables. You can carry it anywhere you like now since its shape and handle allow you to do that. The built-in battery will last for more than 50 hours on one charge and will let you keep your phone alive for a long time. This gadget will be priced at $179. Slime Tire Flat Repair Kit. No driver enjoys having to deal with a flat tire, even if you have a spare tire. Changing a tire can frequently take a long time, which might cause you to be late for work or a meeting. You won't have to be concerned about that again if you have a smart flat tire repair kit. This is a very little repair kit that won't even take up much room in a small purse or car compartment. A potent yet portable tire inhalant and an emergency tire repair sealant are both located within. It takes less than 12 minutes to temporarily seal and inflate a flat tire. You can accomplish this without removing the tire, if you don't mind. The starting price for this repair kit is $44. FosPower Emergency Waterproof Poncho. It's not always feasible to predict the weather when you embark on long excursions, camping trips, or walks. In order to be safe, it would be a good idea to pack this poncho in your backpack. It is only 3 ounces in weight and will keep you warm and dry in rain or snow. 2 green and 2 orange ponchos are included in the set. The poncho measures 4 by 6 inches when folded and 51 by 39 inches when spread out. In case of emergency, it will act as a blanket. 90% of the heat produced by the body is retained by the substance. The poncho's reinforced seams and tough polyethylene material let you move around freely without worrying about accidentally ripping or puncturing it. This is available for $13. FLYNOVA Rechargeable Hand-Operated Drones. Here is an additional choice for outdoor games. This strange drone resembles a frisbee in several ways. It must be caught by the other after being launched by the first person. The battery charge lasts for a maximum of 10 minutes throughout one game. Once the gadget has had a chance to recharge for 15 minutes, you can resume playing. The drone is backlit and composed of ABS plastic, so even complete darkness won't prevent you from having fun, while being reliably protected its moving parts. Of course, the model may also be used indoors, but playing there will definitely not be as enjoyable as playing outside. Finally, the cost is roughly $17 per piece. Vaonis Stellina. There are other options for individuals who prefer quieter activities. This telescope, though it would be more accurate to call it a smart station, opens up a vast array of possibilities. An app for smartphones is used to control the model. There is a list of heavenly objects, for instance. Simply choose the one you choose, and the telescope will focus and let you see its beauty. The broadcast can be viewed on the screen of your smartphone. Additionally, a multitude of teaching materials are accessible. and the telescope itself only weighs 15 pounds. The external battery, which has a capacity of 20,000 mAh, enables it to operate without incident for 10 hours. This sophisticated telescope costs $4,000. Smart Duvet. Do you get sick of making your bed every morning? We've all had moments when we wished for self-making beds. Here is the first simple, global method for creating beds. Its seamless mechanism puts your sheets and duvet back in place each day. The simple inflatable sheet used in this patent-pending technique is positioned between your duvet and duvet cover. This seamless, impermeable layer is comprised of an incredibly light, breathable cloth. When the smart duvet is turned on, the air chamber in the sheets is inflated, repositioning the duvet and sheets. You can set a different bed-making time with the app for every day of the week. This device costs $384. Grillbot. This cutting-edge automated grill cleaner eliminates the need for manual labor when cleaning your barbecue. This robot rotates 3 powerful brass brushes to remove all of the burned-off residue from grill grates. Put it on your grill, whether it's hot or cold, push a button, and then close the lid. It will take care of the cleaning for you. Grillbot is composed of the best heat-resistant plastic available, has 3 strong independent motors, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and sturdy brass brushes, so you won't need to scrub any longer. The bot's brushes' speed and direction are managed by a sophisticated CPU chip, while the timer and alarm on the simple LCD display allow you to set them and forget them. When the grill is clean, the timer automatically stops and an alarm goes off. This robot is easily cleanable in the dishwasher. This barbecue bot costs $129. Nathan Men's Hydration Pack Vest. The over-the-shoulder load lifters and other elements of the Nathan Men's VaporAir Race Vest keep water and equipment close to the body for optimal no-bounce comfort. Body-mapped, ultra-breathable materials are used throughout for maximum comfort, and a 2-liter bladder with a quick-release valve for fast access from bottle pockets is included. The front right and left pockets have wipe-clean surfaces for gel empties. Pill pockets, front zip pockets for smartphones, and side stretch pockets for most devices are all available. Rearrange the external shock cable as well for more capacity. Characteristics of the weight with bladder Nathan Men's VaporAir Race Vest. This will cost $86. BeachBack. For everyone who enjoys being outside, this is the ideal answer. It is a convertible beach chair that features a built-in mattress, an adjustable headrest, and a sun canopy. It only takes 30 seconds to transform from a beach chair to a rucksack with lots of fascinating features. High-quality UV-resistant fabrics and sand and water-resistant fabric are used to make BeachBack. It is lightweight and portable thanks to its padded shoulder straps and weight distribution belt. It is incredibly pleasant to carry even on a bicycle because to its unique shape and padding, a full day's worth of necessities can be brought and optimally organized. With the high capacity of 35 liters of free volume and its numerous practical pockets, BeachBack can accommodate all of your demands and provide you with countless opportunities to recharge in close proximity to nature. Whether you want to spend the day at the lake, a day at the beach, or a lunch break in the park, $156 is the cost of the BeachBack. Night shift. With this, you can quickly give your helmet some personality. Installation or tangled cables are not required. You only need to peek and attach the kit to your helmet to be ready to go. You can easily control the 20+ animations with the Light Mode app. You may match the colors of your gear and bike by selecting whatever color you like for the animations. You can listen to your favorite music and dance while you ride, thanks to the built-in microphone. Compared to the generic LED strips, the light strips are diffused to produce better lighting. Don't worry, you won't have to worry about riding in the rain because this night shift is water resistant. With a 710 hours battery life, you can use the component all night. The cost of working the night shift is $249. Braun Series 9 Pro. The Braun Series 9 Proficient electric shaver can be used to trim both long and short hair. Features a 5-in-1 smart care center and a special pro-life trimmer. This male accessory is perfect for a 7-day shave. Furthermore, the sonic technology used by this effective electric shaver allows it to shave up to 10% faster than the Series 9 without compromising comfort. The Braun Series 9 Pro is kind to your skin and softly lifts hair follicles while cutting even the hardest hair. This wet and dry razor may be used with foam gel or even in the shower and is completely waterproof. $249 is how much this razor costs. Remarkable too. It's feasible to use digital devices' features without experiencing its drawbacks. Your digital notebooks, laptops, and those piles of paper will be replaced by this tablet. First off, it is so thin that you can hardly tell it apart from a real sheet of paper. This indicates that it is quite portable and that you can carry it in a place. With regard to functionality, this tool will assist you in reading books and reviewing documents, as well as in taking handwritten notes and typing them into text. The display is significantly easier on the eyes because it feels and appears like paper. The files can be sent to any other device, even if they are all stored on the cloud. Last but not least, the tablet offers a 2-week battery life and a stylus that includes an integrated eraser. The cost of this device is $300. Opus Powerbank. People who spend a lot of time playing games on their phones frequently struggle with fatigue. This problem is simply resolved by this portable power bank. It is meant to maximize your gaming or working experience and has 15,000 mAh on board. With its lightning rapid 100-watt power output and USB 30 quick charging, you can quickly charge any device, including the MacBook Pro, iPhone, and Nintendo Switch. It will maintain the battery level and avoid overheating, unlike the majority of power banks. Finally, the RGB lighting makes this device ideal for gamers. And like they always stated, more RGB equals more frames per second. Just joking. Anyway, the cost will be $25. We have reached to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. See you next time on Maexology.